Welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you how to set up auto reply on iPhone for conditions when you can't hold your phone. For example, when you're driving, first you can go to settings and then click on the focus option there. And then you can go to the driving mode like this to set up the driving mode. And if you don't see this driving mode over here, you can click plus and you can see the driving mode there. So click on driving and set up the driving focus mode. Click the auto reply option here. So this is the sample of the auto reply message that will be sent to the contacts when you're driving like this. And you can edit the text, but first you have to activate the auto reply to all contacts, so your contacts will receive the auto reply when you're driving. And then you can edit the message by select the text and then edit the text to be what you prefer it to. So here I'm selecting all the text and edit the message like this. Hi, I get your message, but I'm currently driving, so I will read it and respond to it after I'm arrived. Alright, so after you set this message will be sent to the contacts that sent you message or calls you, so you don't have to hold your phone when you're driving. So this auto reply feature will only be activated when you're driving. And to activate the driving mode, you can go to the control center. You have to go to the control center like this, and you can see this mode. Now I'm on do not disturb, and then you can change it to driving mode. So after you activate this, the auto reply will be activated too. So that's how you set up auto reply on iPhone. Thank you guys for watching. If you find this tutorial helpful, remember to like this video. You can leave a comment if you have something you want to ask or something you want to share to us, and I will respond to it soon as I can. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and I will see you guys in another tutorial videos from this channel. Bye bye.